gives us that opportunity that we have all been yearning for. That opportunity not just to provide affordable, decent housing to millions of Kenyans who lack, in line with Article 43 of our, but an opportunity, Honorable Speaker, more importantly, to create millions of jobs.
Let us take this bold step, pass this bill, and wait for the results. And most of us who are sitting in the oversight committees, we will ensure that the projects which have been earmarked under this particular bill, Mr. Speaker, will be put into prudent use.
We must ensure as a House that we support this bill, Honorable Speaker. We enact this legislation, Honorable Speaker, so that we can be in line with the recommendations of the judiciary and expedite delivering the plan to the people of this nation, Honorable Speaker.
What greater opportunity, Honorable Speaker, than this housing agenda to raise money through the housing levy and through the housing fund to massively invest in infrastructural investments that will only create an opportunity for millions of Kenyans to have affordable homes.
As Azimio, we would have wanted to implement this policy by simply having Parliament appropriate money from Kenyan taxpayers' money. Simply collect taxes in a normal manner and appropriate part of that money to go and construct the houses. No, you're doing it. You are simply creating new taxes.
Leo katika bunge iko sheria ya housing. Mimi nataka niombe wabunge wa Kenya waende wapitishe hiyo sheria ya housing ili tupange ajira ya hawa vijana waweze kuendelea na program ya housing, ndio Kenya iweze kusonga mbele, kwa sababu hiyo ndio mpinu nchi zingine.
Haya,